First, match the ends of the kit to the bed to find the right width. It works best if you make the kit a little wider than the bed. Also, leave the bolts loose. That way it's easier to readjust once the bed is on the loft. Then insert all 3 back braces into one of the sides. Put the opposite side of the back braces into the opposite side end. Match the bed next to the kit to measure for length. Lift bed onto the kit. Once all 4 corners of the bed are in the 4 corners of the kit, you may cinch the kit down so that it is a tight fit. Then tighten down the bolts. The safety rail has 2 bolts inside the frame. Once in place, tighten those down as well. Place the base of the shelf on the inner pole of the safety rail. Then place the shelf into the base so that it is level and tight. Place the ladder on either side of the safety rail. Congratulations, you're done. Shelves and ladders are add-ons. Ladders are not available at all schools.